tired of the same old shooter games? Are you tired of same old shooting video games? I have a great idea for a game you all love called Shoot the Damn Bastard in Real Life. Where you kill these bastards in real life. Where you can kill the people in real life. Play the game today. And don't worry about buying it. It's completely free and it automatically comes in your home. Just buy your mom for a gun and it should work.